Cloud Readiness is a set of assessments and discoveries that CAE can provide, ranging from low-touch engagements to full deep dive discoveries, including dependency mappings and road mapping services. The assessment services use our discovery tools, which are installed on the customer's environment. They gather data and information that we can then use to produce reports to present back to the customer. All of our reports would start with a baseline. For example, our free report would give you an idea of what services you have that are ready to move to the cloud now, what might need some additional work and input, and what maybe the cost model would look like as a snapshot and a baseline. Obviously, our deeper dive reports would then drill down as to what work we need to do and how that big map would look like. One of the bigger worries with running these kind of discovery tools is how it's going to impact on a production environment. So we've been very careful to select a tool that can, for the most part, run agentless, so it's very low impact. So ultimately, a migration to the cloud, whether that be infrastructure or platform or software as a service, is going to need some one-on-one interaction to understand what's going on inside the business. The tools really are there to help us get an understanding and as deep a snapshot as we can to allow just some intelligence into that planning process. I don't think we would ever want to get away with that personal touch. It's just really trying to get ahead of the game. The process would be that the customer can ahead of time get some information to get themselves ready for that installation, and in most cases we can do that remotely within 1 to 2 hours. Our discovery process varies in length of time depending on the required output. So, for example, our feasibility report, which is our free service, we would only run that for 48 hours to gain a good baseline of your environment. However, if we were going deeper and looking for a more in-depth report, we would run that for anywhere up to 28 days. The key message that in launching, especially the new free service, it's all about providing the customer with some information to see where they want to go next. Cloud isn't for everybody, and it's not my job or our job as CAE to push anyone in any direction. It's about providing informed information and helping them on the journey wherever that may be. In this instance, we're talking about cloud, but it might end up that customer goes down the route of investing more in their infrastructure, and that's the right place for them.